Welcome to ElloSeller application. Initially, you need to log in with your registered mobile number. Once you submit the OTP you received to your registered mobile number, you will get access to the ElloSeller application. To get a clear information, you need to log in as Ello Agent. This Ello Agent ID will be given to the people who took subscription from Ellocart. After entering your Ello Agent ID, you will get access to the ElloSeller application. Here, you can clearly see the total transactions that made by the company. Total sales, completed orders, settled orders and unsettled orders. Being an Ello Agent, you can add your products here: food, vegetables, meat, etc. You can also add other products which you bought newly into your store, but terms and conditions apply here. You can add every data of your product, its price, quality, number of the items available in your store and everything. Have a look on your account. My profile, my plans, hotel reviews, about us, contact us, terms and conditions, privacy policy. In my profile, it will be given you every clear information. In my plans, you will get the subscriptions plans available in the ElloSeller application, and in hotel reviews, you will get the reviews from your customers. You can find out the terms and conditions and privacy policy from the company. Here you will get the every data of your orders. How many orders are received, how many are pending, how many are assigned to delivery boy and everything. This is the application any seller can handle. Thank you for watching ElloSeller application.